Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. First of all, if you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Today I am going to share with you mushroom capsicum masala's recipe. So without wasting our time, let's see how to make mushroom capsicum masala. First of all, wash the mushrooms and capsicums, then cut them into slices. Heat mustard oil in a pan. Add cinnamon, cloves and some fennel seeds. Add 2 medium onions chopped. Saute till the onions are light golden in color. Add salt. Now add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and garlic. You can add ginger garlic paste too if you want. Saute till the raw smell of ginger and garlic disappears. Now add 1 tomato chopped. Saute till you see some oil releasing from the sides. Now add all the dry masalas, turmeric, chili powder, garam masala and cumin and coriander powder. Mix well and saute for 2 to 3 minutes more. Now add the sliced capsicum, stir and saute for 5 to 6 minutes on a low flame. Add mushrooms, mix all the ingredients well, cook for another 5 minutes on medium flame. Our mushroom capsicum masala is almost ready now. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream and mix well with the gravy. Add chopped coriander leaves. Turn off the flame and mix well. Our mushroom capsicum masala is ready now. Enjoy with roti, paratha or dal rice. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.